Customers claim a Metro car dealer is selling lemons. It's an investigation only News 4 opened, and now it's expanding. Good evening, I'm Courtney Bryant.
I'm Steve Savard. So many of you have been calling and emailing us about this business. Tonight, we can tell you the dealer is now under state investigation. News 4's Ashley Lincoln is live tonight detailing new developments.
Well, Steve and Courtney, today I found out the Illinois Attorney General's office is investigating PayLater Auto Sales in Cahokia. Now, they tell us they've been receiving a number of complaints, some of those complaints dating back to 2015. Tonight, a woman that we spoke to told us she bought an SUV just like this Chevy Equinox. She said the SUV was inoperable, but then when she went to complain to PayLater, she claims they took her vehicle and did not give her a refund.
My car was parked right here. As I was coming out, they were hopping into my car.
Tangeray Turner says it took seconds for two men she says were hired by PayLater Auto Sales in Cahokia to steal her car.
I called them and I was like, did y'all just come steal my car? And they said, thanks for the car.
News 4 first told you about her complaints in September when she says the used car dealership sold her a car that had a number of mechanical issues. Turner says PayLater eventually told her they took the vehicle because she failed to get insurance.
You didn't report, you stole it, and then when I called and asked why, you said because I didn't get insurance when you never informed me to get insurance.
Turner had the Chevy Equinox for just days and says she hadn't had time to go register with her insurance company because the car had already broken down.
Any car lot I've ever been to, you have to have insurance before you drive off the lot. So insurance wasn't the problem.
For months now, dozens of PayLater customers have been calling News 4 with similar stories. Many allege the dealer is selling vehicles with defects, failing to offer refunds, and refusing to fix or pay for repairs.
My car note was due yesterday, but they stole the car before the car note is due.
The Illinois Attorney General's office says because of the number of complaints they've received, they are now investigating. And currently, the BBB says they have more than 50 complaints against PayLater Auto Sales.
They don't get their money back when they have had a problem. They don't get their repairs taken care of. And they encounter problems with the contract.
In our first report in September, the owner refused to speak with us. Is the owner inside?
No, you can't go in.
We can't go in the office? Okay. It's an office. We can't go in the office to speak to an owner? Yeah. Is there an owner that can speak to us? With new reported problems,
PayLater.
this time we called him.
I assure you, we sell cars with batteries and oil.
The owner, Stephen Foltz, says his company is doing nothing wrong. But when I pressed with more questions surrounding complaints, I got this.
Are you saying you're not willing to answer any of my questions right now?
I'm not letting it die down.
Tangeray Turner doesn't expect to get her money back, but she says she doesn't want anyone else to fall victim.
They've been doing this to people for a long time, a very long time. Why aren't they closed?
Now, we did have other individuals reach out to us telling us that they were also sold that same white Chevy Equinox with the same mechanical issues. Now, the Attorney General's office says if you have these same issues and if you feel that you're a victim, to contact them. We will have all of that information on our KMOV News app. Reporting live, Ashley Lincoln, News